Today, I am reviewing NIMO 17.3 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NIMO 17.3 gaming laptop with Ryzen 9 8945HS is a truly remarkable blend of performance, versatility, and style, designed to meet the needs of gamers, students, professionals, and creators alike. From the moment you open it, the laptop impresses with its large 17.3-inch Full HD display, offering sharp and vivid visuals that make everything from gaming to streaming and multitasking a delight. The Nano Edge display delivers more screen real estate, giving you the immersive experience that's perfect for work, study, or entertainment, and the size of the display ensures that productivity is never compromised. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, the NIMO laptop brings an exceptional level of computing power. This processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, runs at a base frequency of 1.8 GHz and boosts up to 5.2 GHz, enabling you to handle demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing videos, running multiple applications simultaneously, or diving into resource-heavy gaming, the Ryzen 9 ensures that everything remains fluid and responsive. Complementing this performance is the AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics, which delivers crisp visuals and smooth gameplay. While it may not be a discrete GPU powerhouse, it still offers excellent performance for casual to mid-level gaming and creative tasks. One of the standout features of the NIMO 17.3 is its storage and memory configuration. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 1TB PCIe SSD, this laptop excels in speed and responsiveness. Multitasking becomes effortless, with enough memory to run numerous applications at once, and the SSD ensures near-instant boot times and lightning-fast file access. This combination makes the laptop not only suitable for gaming but also ideal for content creation, programming, and heavy productivity work. Connectivity is another area where the NIMO laptop shines. Equipped with USB-C 4.0, it supports high-speed data transfer and the ability to connect to external displays or GPUs. This level of future-proofing makes it a highly versatile device for both work and play. The laptop also offers multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and other connectivity options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. For students and professionals who rely on video conferencing, the inclusion of a front webcam with a privacy switch is a welcome addition, allowing for secure communication. The design of the NIMO 17.3 is both sleek and functional. Finished in jet black, it carries a premium aesthetic that complements its performance. The backlit keyboard not only enhances the typing experience, but also makes working or gaming in low light far easier. The fingerprint reader offers both convenience and security, allowing users to log in instantly without passwords. These features, combined with ergonomic design choices, make it a comfortable laptop for long hours of work or play. Battery life on the NIMO is impressive for a gaming-capable laptop. With a 100W PD fast charger, you can quickly recharge and stay productive without being tethered to a power outlet for long periods. This is particularly useful for students and business users who need to move between classes, meetings, or remote workspaces without worrying about running out of power. Overall, the NIMO 17.3 gaming laptop delivers a powerful, versatile, and stylish package. Its large immersive display, premium build, advanced processor, speedy memory, and robust storage make it a top contender in its category. Whether you are a gamer seeking a portable yet powerful machine, a student needing reliable performance for study and multimedia, or a professional looking for a laptop that can handle demanding tasks, the NIMO 17.3 offers everything you need. With its combination of speed, display quality, connectivity, and thoughtful design, it stands out as one of the best choices for 2025 in the high-performance laptop market.